Okay, today we'll be opening up this used AcDelco Ultraguard oil filter, number UPF63R. And I want to thank a viewer whose name is Mark from Staten Island, New York, for sending me this oil filter. Thanks, Mark. This filter was in service for 5,000 miles and came off of his 2017 Buick LaCrosse. Yep, the one with the 3.6 liter V6 engine, which has 36,000 miles on it. Mark says he was using AcDelco Dextro 2 5W30 dealership oil during this time. Let's open up this filter and see how it looks. So let's get started.
It's just a pour. You gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight. Get your inner here, filtration, everywhere here.
Okay, before we open up this filter, let's take a quick look at it. It should have a date code up here. Somehow it got rubbed off, I guess. Should have a date code, and also it should say made in USA, because I've opened up one of these before. Anyways, this is a sticker. This filter has 6 inlet holes, metal core louvers, bypass valve down below, and about 4 grooves there for threads. Nitro rubber gasket. It's pretty thick. It's on here pretty good too also. Yeah, it's pretty thick, that you can see that. Put that to the side, and let's open this filter up. Pretty dry. Okay. I see something right there. Must be part of the, it's soft, whatever it is, so probably just part of whatever's in this filter, I guess. I don't know what that is. Got a nitro rubber drainback valve. Which is still kind of flexible. That fits over that nicely. Now look at that. Okay. And a filter element. Bypass valve. This all looks good. Okay, let's see the pleats. Right here is the inside seam. And I'll put the number of pleats on the screen. And nicely spaced. Yeah. No tears. A little bit of a gap here. Not too bad. Metal end caps. No excess glue or anything. And this filter has a micron rating of 98% at 25 to 30 microns. And I got that on Rock Owl's website, but I don't know what the filter media is made out of. Couldn't find any information on that. The can? Yeah, it's pretty dry. I don't know what that is down there. Let's see if I can get it. Yeah, it's just a little soot, I guess, at the bottom. Let's get the thickness on this can. I was getting 0.57 on a earlier one that I opened. I got about 0.55. It's pretty thick. It feels thick also. Let's get the measurement on this filter media. 2.76 inches wide. Yeah, so this all looks good. This is part of the can, I guess. Oh, it's part of the label, actually. That might have been what that was too, maybe part of the label. That was stuck on there on the thread. But otherwise it all looks good. Okay, well, let me squeeze this out, stretch it out, and see what it looks like. Be right back. Okay, so here's the filter all stretched out. And this filter is 45.5 inches long. Okay, so let's get the thickness on this filter media. It's 0.74 millimeters thick. Take a look at it up close. Okay, this is the filter inside, this is the back side. This filter is very dirty throughout the whole filter. You know, it's pretty dark. So I'm going to give you guys a front side and a back side view under a microscope. Let's take a look at that. So you can see it's pretty dark all the way through. And up close too you can see it. So let's take you off this tripod. Let's take a look at the filter media here. Up close. You know, there's really no soot on it built up or anything, or carbon, and really no sparklies. But it's just dark throughout the whole filter. It's one of the darkest ones I've seen. Otherwise, it all looks good. And held up well. Okay, let's look at the rest of the filter. So let's start with the gasket. The gasket looks good. Nice and thick. Flat side, I think this is the flat side here, so this is like where it was mounted against the block. Yeah. And this is pretty wide. This is a wide stamp leaf spring with the bypass valve. Looks good. Nitro and drain back valve held up well. You can see it started to, like, you know, probably dig into these guys a little bit, the inlet holes. But really nothing there though. You can see a little bit. But otherwise it's nice. Nice amount of threads. The louvers, they're all nicely opened up. You can see them there, see the light through them. Yeah, that all looks good. And the can's pretty thick. All looks good. Filter held up well. So what do you guys think about this filter? And again, I want to thank Mark for sending me this used oil filter. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care.